when the system boots in live, we can do a lot of things for debugging the system that failed for whatever reason. For instance, here we are going to boot from network, and we are going to select in the menu, here is the menu, that we want to boot to Clonezilla, which is the tool that we use for creating the images. And then when the system boots, we are going to have the chance to select a shell. Yeah, it is. And then we require to go to a shell. And here you have an interactive shell where we can do whatever we need. Another thing that we want to show here, it is that if we have this IP address ended with 200.213, okay? What we can do is something interesting, which is, let me show, yeah, here it is. I'm going to open a shell and connect to that system. Here it is, okay? And now, here, let me show that. For instance, if we open that, it is the bioboard running, and then whatever I do with my remote control, it is being applied at the same time in the remote machine. Yeah, so we have remote control from the shell for debugging. For instance, we want to see the disk and the partitions that we have. For instance, we want to check the activity on the system. Let me show that properly. Here we have information of the system in remote in real time. Okay, with CPU usage, the programs that we have running, etc. Okay, so what I try to show here, it is that if for whatever reason we need to access the system remotely when the system is not booting, we can boot live the system through the network, as I already did in this video, and then connect to that live system for accessing the disk of the system. For instance, here I have the partitions, and then I can decide to mount, for instance, the partition SDA1 and mount it, and then go to that partition and take a look on it. Here I can see the booting parts of the physical disk. Yeah, not much more. I hope it is something useful for you.